This video will show you how to initially set up Yeewise Wi-Fi cameras via WallPixel App. There are two ways to do initial setup of your cameras on WallPixel App. Plug the camera to router for setup, and set up the camera wirelessly. In this video, we'll show you the first way, plug the camera to router for setup. First, you need to install the Wi-Fi antenna for the camera, and then power on the camera. Camera starts run. It takes about 10 seconds. Then camera enters configuration mode. You can see the LED indicator on camera cable blinking and hear constant beep from the camera. Then use an Ethernet cable to connect the camera and your router. One end goes to the network port on the camera, and the other to the LAN port on the router. On your phone, you need to first download and install the app. Then register a user account and login. Next, tap Add Device to add your camera. There are three methods to add the camera on WallPixel App. Scan the QR code. Scan device in LAN. Add by ID. The first method, scan the QR code to add the camera. Tap the Add Device button on top right. Then tap Scan. Scan the QR code. You can find the QR code printed on the camera mount. Name your device. Enter the password for admin user. Default password is empty, leave it blank. Tap Save. Camera is now added to your app. Next, set up Wi-Fi for the camera. Tap the camera to enter Live View interface. Then tap the Device Setting button on the top right. Tap Device Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi of your router. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Please note to choose the Wi-Fi compatible with your camera. Camera works with 2.4G Wi-Fi only. Tap OK. Camera will connect to your Wi-Fi. Once the camera connects successful, you can unplug it from router and mount it anywhere within Wi-Fi range. The second method, scan device in LAN to add the camera. Please connect your phone to the same network as your camera connects to, and make sure they are in the same LAN. Tap the Add Device button on the top right. Then tap Add. Tap Scan the LAN to find your camera on the local network. Tap the camera to add it to the app. Name your device. Enter the password for admin user. Default password is empty, leave it blank. Tap Save. Camera is now added to your app. Then follow the same steps as in the first method to set up Wi-Fi for the camera. The third method. Add camera by Cloud ID. Tap the Add Device button on top right. Then tap Add. Tap Add by ID, IP. Enter the Cloud ID of the camera. Cloud ID can be found printed on the camera mount. Name the device. Enter the password for admin user. Default password is empty, leave it blank. Tap Save. Your camera is now added to the app. Then follow the same steps as in the first method to set up Wi-Fi for the camera. Done. The camera has now been added successfully and you can watch the live stream.